What is a Medicare Appeals Council, MAC, review? Have you ever wondered what happens if you disagree with a decision made about your Medicare coverage? Let's talk about the Medicare Appeals Council review, a key step in the appeals process. This review comes into play after you have gone through an administrative law judge hearing and are still not satisfied with the outcome. The Medicare Appeals Council, often referred to as MAC, is responsible for examining the decisions made by administrative law judges or attorney adjudicators from the Office of Medicare Hearings and Appeals. If you are unhappy with the decision from the administrative law judge, you can request a MAC review. This review is available to any party involved in the hearing who feels the decision was not favorable. So, how does the MAC review work? It is a higher-level administrative review that looks at your case anew. This means the council does not have to follow the previous decision made by the administrative law judge. They will consider the facts and issues from scratch. After their review, the council can either issue a final decision, dismiss your appeal, or send the case back to the administrative law judge for more examination. If you want to request a MAC review, you need to act quickly. You must file a written request within 60 calendar days after receiving the administrative law judge's decision. This request is usually made using a specific form known as Form DAB 101. Once your request is submitted, the Medicare Appeals Council typically completes its review within 90 calendar days. However, this time frame can be extended in certain situations, so it is good to keep that in mind. It is important to note that there is no minimum dollar amount required to request a MAC review. This means that whether your case involves a small or large amount, you can still seek this review. The MAC review serves as the last step in the administrative appeals process before you can take your case to federal district court if you are still not satisfied with the outcome. This review is designed to protect your rights as a Medicare beneficiary. It provides an additional layer of oversight and ensures that any errors can be corrected before moving on to judicial review. The MAC review is a vital part of the broader Medicare appeals framework, which includes several levels of appeal starting from redetermination by a Medicare contractor, followed by reconsideration by a qualified independent contractor, then the administrative law judge hearing, and finally the Medicare Appeals Council review. In summary, the Medicare Appeals Council review is an essential process for anyone looking to challenge an unfavorable decision regarding Medicare coverage or payment issues. It ensures that beneficiaries have the opportunity to have their cases thoroughly examined and to seek justice in their appeals.